This video is sponsored by Restream. Why livestream to one platform when you can simultaneously livestream to every platform to discover new audiences faster using Restream.io? You can update each title one by one or in mass using Restream.io. First, you need to connect each of your accounts to Restream. In this example, I've got accounts from virtually every platform listed here. Once they're connected, please note it does not matter whether they're toggled on, as you can see from this one, or they're toggled off, as you can see from that one. They are all going to potentially be updated using this process. Click Update Titles right here. Once you click this, it'll bring you to a separate page through the web browser, and then you'll have the option to globally change all titles across all streams right here at the top. I recommend making the title of your live stream something that describes the value the audience will get out of the live stream, not something generic like, I am live. So in this example, how to grow from 0 to 1 million subscribers may be something valuable to my viewers. Think about what is valuable to yours. Once you enter that valuable title, then update all if you want to update every single title across the board to that exact title. Hit update. Now, please note when you do that, it will update literally every title to every account connected to Restream, that specific Restream account. So if you're operating two brands like I am, I have a podcast brand and an AWOL digital brand, it updates on both brands. Also keep in mind that if you set up something like a YouTube event ahead of time that has all the metadata that you wanted on YouTube specifically, this will potentially overwrite that metadata that you already set up on YouTube with your YouTube event. So do not make that mistake if that is something that you're doing. If you want to individually customize the title to each platform, you can easily do that by hitting the edit button next to each platform. Each platform has different rules and different things that your audiences there may want to click for, so very seriously consider customizing these titles accordingly. You can do this right here through the title tab for each avenue. And once you've entered your updated title, which I'm just, for example, going to type in the letter A to show it updating, click the update button right here, and it'll update only for that platform and for that account, not for any of your other accounts. That's how you update titles in Restream. And if you are interested in getting a discount on Restream.io, use my link in the description below. It'll give you 30% off your first month so that you can stream to multiple platforms at the same time and grow faster.